Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the October 2025 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month and includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to get new product coming in each and every month without breaking the bank. You also get a lot of freebies. So one of your freebies is 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team creates for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout. This is a great way to dive into your kit and create right along with our talented design team. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee. So you can brew that up when you're unboxing your kit or when you start playing with it. With the cooler temperatures coming in for fall, it's a perfect time to have a cup of warm coffee and just a chill and scrapbook. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. So these are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our members. And this month is this awesome fall cut file with the 2 pumpkins and the little floral cluster here and the title Thankful. So it's a great cut file for this coming fall. Along with all the freebies, when you jump on over to the Facebook group, you're going to find sketches to play along with and our challenges, the Freaky Fast Friday, which is my favorite. Just lots of things going on. We have scrapbook live events. Make sure that you jump in on those, and our design team is creating and just chatting with you, so that's a fun thing as well. This month our 4 collections are Bella Boulevard, Love Grows Here, Echo Park, Ghost and Goblins, Pink Fresh, Paige Evans, Lovely Lane, and Simple Stories, The Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. First collection we're going to look at is the Love Grows Here from Bella Boulevard. So this collection centers around home, family, and is a bright, fun collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of blueberry cardstock. Please remember that the names of the cardstocks may change on the shipment because I filmed these so early. So due to supply issues, every now and then the cardstock name will change, but you'll get this color. The 3 pattern papers are this one, Simply the Best. So it has all of these words just reminiscent of family and home, laugh, smile, together. The back is a tone-on-tone stripe in orange. This is Let Love Grow, which are rows of tiny little daisies with the yellow centers on an aqua background. And the back is a tone-on-tone yellow print. Then we have Our Love Grows, which is a plaid of all the different colors that from this collection. And the back is a 2-toned blue polka dot. So you can see those bright, fun colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the icon and word ephemera pieces. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits because Rochelle splits them up between kits. That's the great thing about just getting a little sampling of all of the collections. So these are the embellishments that I got. Again, some words and some icons. So that is Love Grows Here from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is Ghost and Goblins from Echo Park. So Halloween will be here before you know it. You're going to get 2 sheets of black cardstock. Pattern papers, this cute little ghost with the spider webs. The back is a striped, a multi-striped with the different colors from this collection. This is called Boo Eek Ghost. And then we have a spider web and spiders. The back is a 2-toned purple. That paper is called Haunting Webs. Then we have the star print on the black. Again, you see all of the colors from this collection. And the back is a green striped. And that paper is called Spooky Season Stars. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you have a large scalloped border of the stripes, lots of little word labels. You even have this cute little frame here. Love the little black kitty. Some words here you could use as part of the titles. I just love that the little characters are so cute and sweet. So that is Ghost and Goblins from Echo Park. Our next collection is Lovely Lane from Paige Evans and Pink Fresh. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this floral here on the white. And the back is like a wallpaper print with the florals and the ribbons. That is called Happiness is Homemade. Then we have another one. Again, these papers just remind me of wallpapers because of the stripes in them. This one is a blue two-tone with a floral print. The back side is a fun take on a plaid. That paper is called Be Here Now. Love the colors of this collection. And then we have this fun floral wreath on the pink grid. And the back is another one that's like a stripe of a wallpaper background with the arrows. This paper is called Braveheart, which this also could go this way. I love this paper. That's super pretty. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the floral and the heart and star ephemera pieces. And you're going to get some enamel shape. So I got the turquoise looking hearts in the different sizes. So that is Lovely Lane from Paige Evans. Our final collection is the Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze from Simple Stories. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of burnt red cardstock. Then this pattern paper here, Harvest Memories, which is just an already finished background. I love the Simple Vintage collections because they do these fun layered backgrounds for you. So you really don't have to do much of anything. Just add some photos and some journaling. You can tuck in just a few extra little embellishments to kind of blend it into the background, but this is just simply gorgeous. The back is a fun bouquet of florals and then the pumpkins with the florals. That paper is called Harvest Memories. I don't think I said that. This paper is called Fresh Picked, and it's all of these pumpkins and leaves on a ledger background. The back is a plaid in green with yellow. This paper is Cozy Season, and it's all of these different tickets all put together to make a background. So these are always a lot of fun. You can cut them up into blocks or strips or even individual little ephemera pieces. And the back is another plaid in the red and the gold. Super pretty. So one more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of embellishments on these as well. So remember, they will vary among the kits, but you're going to get some of the bits and ephemera and also some of the foam stickers here. Also got a few of the brads. So I got a large one and a couple of little small ones. Super cute. Ready to document all that fall weather coming. So one more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget we have the 3 add-ons so you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments to your kits to make them go even further. I'll have links to those reveal videos here so you can check those out. Also be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of fun going on and challenges and prizes, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.